On this episode of The Rusty Cracker, we go to a sketchy part of Detroit, Michigan. We pick up a brand new semi-truck, then we travel down south to North Carolina. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty, and yeah, we are back truck driving around America, I guess, right? And yeah, we are in Detroit, Michigan. I know it's a little sus out here with you know, Detroit and all that. We just came from Macon, Georgia, and yeah, we are loaded up. It was like about, I think, less than 1,000 miles from Macon all the way to this Detroit area right here. This is my drop off right there, but unfortunately I got here a little too late. They are closed. My appointment's in the morning either way. I just, you know, always try to drop off earlier, because the earlier the better. Then you can just get reloaded next day and bounce. But we are in Michigan for a reason, because this company I'm leasing from promised me a new truck for a while now. So I've been complaining about it. The transmission's been shuddering. I've been having a lot of issues with it, but I wasn't happy with it. But like I said, guys, this is about making money. You know, owner lease is a little tough because, you know, the truck kind of breaks down and then you're kind of stuck with, you're not paying the lease for that day or forever how long it's getting fixed, but still, you know, that's kind of money out of your pocket. So they promised to get me a new lease truck, and they kept their word. So I am in Michigan to pick up the new truck, they said. They also didn't tell me what kind of truck it is. So it could be a Peterbilt, it could be another Freightliner Cascadia, it could be a Volvo, it could be a Kenworth. I have no clue. She's been an okay truck, but yeah, I think it's just time to go. She just hit $500,000 mark. And yeah, I think it's time for retirement. A lot of people are gonna be like, what the heck, $500,000? That's nothing. And that is true, but right when you get to $500,000 mark, there is a lot of maintenance required at this stage. Like, these automatic transmissions really don't last past this. So this thing's gonna need a new clutch. It's gonna need a full transmission service. If it's, you know, keeps on shuddering the way it does right now, it probably needs a full transmission replacement. Engine idles a little odd sometimes, so it definitely gonna need a full tune-up, stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's time to lay her down and then get me a new one. But I am not getting a new trailer, because this trailer also is kind of part of the deal, leasing deal. And yeah, not a new trailer is not coming with the truck. So I always, you know, try to make sure all my self-inflatable tires are all good. These are the self-inflators right there. Yeah, they're pretty nice. I mean, you don't really have to check them that often, but yeah, you do kind of have to listen and make sure you don't hear no air leaking or anything. Damn, I chewed this tire up a little bit. I remember when I did that. Don't tell them, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna pretty much go to sleep, and then early in the morning, 6 a.m., we're gonna drop off and then go to the company headquarters and pick up our new truck. Morning, boys, morning. Yeah, this is the type of morning I usually have. Big row of trucks waiting to get delivered. 6 a.m. that's pretty much when they open. I try to get the first in line, and I have made it. There's my truck right there. I think it's funny, this sign right here represent this Detroit pretty well. Driver carries no cash. Pretty cool docks though. They're like inside the building themselves. It's pretty tight, pretty tight. I'm guessing because Michigan, you know, snows and rains here a lot, whatever, I don't know. But yeah, they put a lock on here so I don't accidentally move while they're offloading. Right after this offload, we are heading straight to base over there where they're located and picking up our new truck. Literally about 3 miles from here, so that's pretty great. It's not that far of a drive. And we are here, and this is my new truck. Psych! Obviously, that's a way older Volvo. This is our new truck.
This is mine, yeah.
All right, enough of that music montage. I know you guys don't really like that stuff, but I thought that was pretty cool to do. This thing has a Cummins in it, which I actually don't like, but whatever, can't complain too much. It's a brand new truck. Yeah, at least it's a lot newer. This is a 2021. It got my LED lights, it has my LED strips. Perfect. Yeah, this one, like I explained earlier in my other videos, guys, it's the older model, 2017-18 model. It doesn't have nothing. Halogen bulbs, no LED, nothing. The base of the base. So yeah, I'm still transferring my stuff. Let me transfer everything out, and then we'll talk a little more about it. Alrighty, on the road again. Sorry I didn't record much getting all my stuff in the truck and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of boring. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this pickup real quick, and we are gonna be delivering this to North Carolina. And it is a very specific place I'm going to, because North Carolina is kind of where some of my family is. My wife is there right now celebrating some stuff you guys don't really care about. So yeah, that's why I got the load going there. We are doing the pickup 60 miles away in Ohio. Alrighty, while we are getting loaded, I think it's like water or something like that, water bottles, not really sure. We're gonna go ahead and explore this truck a little bit more. Pretty nice Goodyear tires. And yeah, we have a Cummins engine, which in my eyes, they are not better, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it's all brand new. You can tell it's all psh, 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 psh. You see, it's all done right. Everything's all looking Gucci. Yeah, very nice looking engine. I guess this is the Cummins X15, whatever that stands for. Man, everything's all shiny under here. I like it, I like it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just checked the oil, you know, 100 miles later, but it looks pretty good. I didn't actually check the tire pressure because I thought, you know, it's brand new, it should be, you know, good, which it is. Hot is about 120, so that's good enough. I'm gonna go around, check everything I need to check, and then we'll go into the interior. In the front here, there's a warning, vehicle components permanently marked. Yeah, I don't like how that looks on the bumper, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of get this deleted real quick. Just do everybody a favor. Yeah, so the inside is nothing special. Regular cloth seats. I got no heated, no coolant. I only got one back massager thing right here. But yeah, that's all I got. Oh yeah, I got the little slidey thing. I was looking for that actually. So yeah, just a plain old Cascadia. I got my stuff set up like always. Logbook here. This is the adaptive cruise control thing. I'm about to be talking about that in a second. My iPhone TV holder right there. I got, you know, trash bag, typical giggity stuff over there. And then I got regular Cascadia stuff right there. Yeah, so you see that? No refrigerator. That's a minus. But I mean, the Cascadia refrigerators suck anyways, so might as well just have my own. I already have one at the house. I'm just gonna put like a little small one right there, and it's gonna act like as a table also. Not a big deal. Comes with the inverter already, so yeah, not bad. And some of the negative things about this, oh yeah, and by the way, I was mistaken. It wasn't 2021, it's 2022 truck, which doesn't matter, nothing really changed, but still, it's a 2022, literally in 2021. I already explained how all that works, by the way, so I'm not gonna get in through that right now. The negatives, this thing only goes 65 miles per hour. Also, like always, you know, the adaptive cruise control right here sucks. It's not that great. The lane assist also, that's on the mirror right there. Oh, sorry, on the windshield right there. There's like a little camera thing right there. Also, I have one issue. It's not, I mean, it's not that bad, but it's gonna suck at night. Let me show you. And this is my issue right here. Engine idle performing shutdown. And yeah, 4 minutes of idling, this is what I get. And I know, some of you could be like, oh, don't be retarded, Rusty. You can just go into this menu right here and what? And there it goes, it's shut down. Go into this menu and what? Yeah, I know. So Ryder and Penske do this. They lock you out of putting the idle up. I have no clue why. My other truck from Ryder did not do this. So yeah, I called up Ryder. They said, oh yeah, sorry, we forgot to disconnect that. So sucks. I'm gonna try to make it pretty much to North Carolina today so I don't have to sleep. And yeah, because I can't sleep in the heat, guys. Come on. We are loaded and ready to go, boys. We are about 42,000 pounds. It's like some Perel water or Nestle flavored water, okay, whatever. And yeah, we're gonna be traveling through some of these US roads here and there for about, I think, 40 miles. And then we need to get scaled out because I'm not 100% sure how much is gonna be on my tail end. It's gonna be pretty close. It's gonna be like 32,000. So just in case, I'm gonna waste $12.50 just to confirm. Also, I almost forgot, like always, guys, I'm gonna tell you how much this load paid out. It's gonna be pretty much from Ohio to North Carolina. Exact mileage and everything will be at the end of the video, and the pay, so stay tuned for that. Enjoy the scenery for now though. Good morning. Morning, everybody. Where am I? In the mountains of North Carolina. And yeah, we got our truck parked right here. And you might be wondering, like, why are you not at the offload, bro? So yeah, I'm not at the offload because it's later on at night. And yeah, I'm parked at my father-in-law's lot, you know, runs in the family trucking business and all. Just showing you guys this Kenworth. Pretty sick old little Kenworth right there. Also, I went ahead, bought this fridge. Yeah, went to Home Depot right there. and bought this fridge with tax and everything. It was about 150 bucks. Not a big deal. It's gonna be a tax write-off, and a lot of you guys are gonna be asking like, what the heck? This van looks so familiar. And that is correct. This is the van I rebuilt. It is the rebuild video on my channel. You guys can go ahead and check it out. You might be wondering, why is it here in North Carolina? I thought you were from Florida, blah, blah, blah. Well, guys, some stuff has changed. I'm not saying anything else, but yeah, this van is here. You know, life changes happen and stuff like that. So I'm going through some stuff here and there. Not a big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and install this fridge, probably off camera, and probably deliver this load tonight. But we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how much this load paid out. This load weighs about 41,000 pounds. And yeah, I think I scaled it up and it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too heavy, but it was about 75,000 gross. And it was from Ohio to North Carolina, exactly 721 miles with deadhead. I call it deadhead is because the empty miles you take from drive to your location to go pick it up, I count those miles in. So total miles 720, and this load paid out exactly $1,800. So that makes it about $2.50 a mile, which is not too bad, especially because I kind of wanted to come here to the Carolinas. There was other rates that were going somewhere better, but that's just the rates right now. It's about $2.50, $3. And obviously we have a big thing to talk about probably in the next video, and that's, a lot of you guys are gonna already know. And yeah, it's about the load confirmation cost. You know, this company states that, you know, they bargain with the brokers and they give me the price they get it for, but that is obviously a lie. A lot of people, you already know what it is. We're gonna talk about more of this a little later, but I'm not complaining. Money is money. You gotta earn it somehow or another. I am also gonna take this truck into Ryder probably tomorrow or something like that, and let them fix a little bit of the issue, the no idling issue. They can just go ahead and make sure the truck doesn't turn off with the idling thing. Also, I'm gonna try to convince them to turn off this little sensor thing. And man, this is not even that bad. The most annoying is that thing on the windshield. And yeah, it's like the lane, it's not lane keep, it's like lane alert. I mean, I'm going straight on the lanes, it's still beeping and bopping over there for me. It's super annoying. I'm gonna try to put a piece of tape on the windshield and see if that helps. If not, I'm just gonna get a little rattle can and spray that little camera. Hopefully that stops annoying me. But yeah, this trip was pretty awesome. Man, there's a road right here, so it gets pretty loud. Sorry about that. This trip was pretty awesome. We got a new truck, we got a decent load, and everything is happy cheeky, you know what I'm saying? So appreciate it, guys, for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. We got a bunch of stuff to talk about, like my semi truck rebuild, what's going on next with that. I'm gonna be rebuilding another project car right here. I'm not gonna get into that right now, but it's one of my dream cars. Also, yeah, truck driving around America, paying by the load, owner lease. Hopefully you guys are enjoying, and like always, be blessed, stay safe, deuces.